It's 1987, Fort Benning, Georgia. I'm at the base of the mighty Ungawa. If you wanted your wings, you had to jump. This 1 to 48th scale Italeri Hercules gives me that same feeling. In the infantry, you don't jump without a manifest. For this sortie, the manifest is the cockpit. Everything starts here. The Herc is the backbone of tactical airlift. We're modeling the late 80s transition from analog steam gauges to early digital CRT screens. I'm dry fitting now. No glue. If the pieces aren't square, the whole airframe will fight us later. No shortcuts and no slack. We prep with surface gray primer. My custom mix of Vallejo black and white. It highlights imperfections before we move into the green. We're laying down the base colors according to the manifest. The structural interior is finished in green-gray to give it that heavy industrial airframe feel. The control surfaces and instruments are blocked in with deep black, providing the high contrast backdrop for the panels. Finally, the landing gear and internal bays are shot in bright white. Ensuring every hydraulic paint is dry, we assemble under the shed lights. Foot and hand controls first, seats second, then consoles. Once the main instrument panel is glued, the front office is locked in. Next, we install the landing gear in the bay. So that's all for this episode of Model Front Chronicles. Join me next time as I join this cockpit to the parts identified in step 2 of the build. Once step 1 and 2 are complete, and along the way, we'll apply the weathering effects to the cargo area and the cockpit at that time. Again, thank you for joining me on Model Front Chronicles. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. This is Kurt Giese. Have a nice day.